In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up or create payment links in Stripe. As you can see, this is the article provided to us and how you can create a payment link step by step. So I'll be guiding you for each instruction provided here. First is you need to go to your dashboard and then open the payment links and then click the new. So once you click the payment links here, in this article, it will redirect you directly into the payment link creation. Well, first, you need to create a title for this payment link and also a description. You can also set the currency for this payment and the checkboxes for suggesting a preset amount or a set of limitation. We can also modify different options here, like this. So after inputting everything here for the basic information like the title, description, and the currency, you can now create this link by clicking this. So what does it look after the payment? As you can see, I have not set a payment method here, but this is how your payment link will look like. And that's it. That's how you can create or set a payment link at Stripe, and thank you for listening.